I want to speak here before you on the topic of injustice. So please listen to me and abide by the orders of Allah. You know very well that Allah is all powerful. Allah is great. So all His belongings, all His orders and all His attributes should be great. As a matter of fact, Allah orders all humans to do injustice to one and all. So this order should be greatest. On the contrary, Allah orders to be away from injustice. Allah explains in the Holy Quran, إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون. Allah, the omnipotent Lord, orders justice, charity, giving poor dues to near and dear ones, and He forbids adultery and atrocity. Brothers, alas, today our society is full of sins, full of injustice, full of rapes, full of corruption. No one is ready to erupt crimes. No one is ready to uproot them. No one is ready to end. No one is ready to name them in the vote. Friends, our Prophet has said, "Al-Zulmu zulmatun yawm al-qiyamah." Injustice will be darkness upon darkness on the day of judgment. The Urdu poet Sadat Yar Khan said, "Zulm ki टहनी कभी फैलती नहीं, जुल्म की टहनी कभी फैलती नहीं, नाव कागज की कभी चलती नहीं." All sins are injustice. Cheating is injustice. Theft is injustice. Atrocity is injustice. Very is injustice. The king Najashi said, "Al-hukumatu tabqi bil kufri wala tabqi bil zulm." The power remains with disbelieving but does not remain with injustice. May Allah make you just and fair in all walks of our life. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.